In this video, I am going to show you how to fix a missing Wi-Fi option on Windows 11 or 10. For this problem, you should run the Internet Connection Troubleshooter. To run it, press Windows plus L option to open Settings. Open the System tab in the left pane. In the right pane, scroll and click on Troubleshoot. Under Options, click on Other Troubleshooters or Additional Troubleshooters on Windows 10. Click the Run button for Internet connections. Windows will launch the troubleshooter and show the issues that Windows can troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot my connection to the Internet. The troubleshooter will scan the system for issues and recommend potential fixes. Apply those fixes and check for any improvement. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Running the troubleshooter will definitely fix the Wi-Fi missing issue on your computer. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.